Is it time to replace my smartphone's battery? Hi, my name is Luis, and I manage the Innovation Lab here at Back Market. And my role is to ensure that the refurbished devices sold on our platform have optimal performance and functionality. Today's question is, when do I need a new battery for my smartphone? Before you get a new battery or replace your phone completely, check these things. Is your battery's maximum capacity below 80%? You can find this number in settings, under battery. Is your phone shutting down without a warning? Have you received a message from your phone to replace your battery? Is your phone slow, or are you experiencing other performance loss? If you answered yes to one or more of these questions, it may be time to replace your battery. So hopefully that helps you decide if you need a new smartphone battery. If for any reason you need to upgrade or replace your device, get it for way less versus new by shopping on the Back Market app or website, including verified refurbished smartphones with 100% new batteries. I'm Luis, thanks for watching. Come back soon for more device tips, tech news, and reasons to shop on Back Market.